In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Shudder subscription on Roku. Step 1. Cancel on your Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to Shudder channel, but do not open it. Press the Start button for Options menu. Select Manage Subscription and then choose Cancel Subscription. Confirm when prompted. Another method is to cancel via the Roku website by going to my.roku.com and signing in. Click on Manage Your Subscriptions and then find Shudder and click Unsubscribe or Cancel Subscription. Then confirm your cancellation. You can also check other billing sources. If you subscribed via the Apple App Store, Google Play, Amazon or the Shudder website, you will need to cancel through those platforms instead of through Roku. Step 4 is confirmation and access. You will retain access to all Shudder content until your current billing cycle ends. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Removing the Shudder app from Roku does not stop billing. Always verify where you originally subscribed to cancel effectively and contact Roku or Shudder support for assistance if needed. And that is how you cancel your Shudder subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.